Just thought I'd bring you guys out on my lunchtime ride. It was looking dry when I started setting up all my gear for filming, and I'm riding into a great big grey cloud which doesn't look good. Doesn't look good at all. But we live in the UK, so that's what we have to contend with. There's Blade Triumph in Cheltenham. They're giving me a call when the new Speed Triple is released and when they get a demonstrator in stock. Cannot wait to have a go on that little puppy, or big puppy, fucking Rottweiler. I imagine that's just going to be a street triple on steroids. So yeah, very excited to try that one out. Absolutely love my my trusty street triple. It's the R model. I've put loads of little trinkets and bits on it and kind of made it my own, so it'll be really hard to part with this one if I do decide to upgrade. Trying to convince my better half that it's completely necessary to have multiple motorcycles at the moment, so I'll keep you posted on how that goes. But yeah, you know, I do 1 or 2, you know, track days a year, but most of my riding is on the street. I'm really in a bit of a dilemma actually. Don't know what to do. Go full sports bike, maybe something naked like a, you know, KTM Super Duke R or the new Triumph Speed Triple, or go something, you know, a bit more sporty like an R1 or CBR 1000 Fireblade, or yeah, I don't really know what to do with it all. So I've got some test rides booked in for when lockdown eases a little bit in April. So I'll be testing out the Honda Fireblade, the Suzuki GSXR 1000R. Even though I'm pretty certain that I won't be going Ducati. I've contacted my local Ducati dealer to see if they'll let me have a little drash on the V4S or the V4, either really. You know, those bikes are complete weapons, so you know, I'd just be happy to sit on one. I'm hoping and praying that it doesn't start raining, because I don't really fancy getting soaked. So pray for me. A little bit of sun coming through the clouds there. Gives me that promising feeling that I might stay dry. So yeah, just before lockdown in 2020, I had to go on the Yamaha R1. What a bike. Yeah, absolute beast of a machine. Loved that. So yeah, definitely in the running for, you know, one of the upgrade options. Quick blast down the M5 and we'll be back onto the kind of roads we're looking for. see my my GoPro bouncing down the tarmac to oblivion. Probably make some quite good footage, mind. You can get proper elephant races up this hill. It's stuck behind lorries for the duration. Oh no, I can see rain on my visor. So what would you guys be looking at in terms of bikes? Anything you'd recommend for, you know, fun riding, track, you know, Sunday riding, not for commuting? You know, what would you recommend? What have you tried? What have you got? I am going to hang a left because those clouds look like they're going to fuck me up. Cover me in the piss of the gods. And I can't be bothered to wash the bike, so I'm going to cut my little lunchtime ride short. Oh, look, the sun's come out. You know what, I'm actually just going to go straight on there and go in search of sunny riding. I have a bit more faith now. And the main beast, the main event is my my Quickshifter that I fitted last week. It's great. You don't need to you don't need to turn the throttle off to change gear, and it sounds brilliant. It sounds incredible. Oh, those are nice potholes. I mean, that's the Quickshifter. It just feels so good to just run it through the gears like that. I swear it must make the bike accelerate faster, or me on this bike accelerate faster. I mean, I can do clutchless upshifts, but they're nowhere near as seamless as that. No way. Oh, I really want a nice coffee. I'm tempted to stop for a coffee somewhere. I know, I'm going to stop at the Green Coffee Machine in Cheltenham on my way back home. It's not far from my house as well. Best coffee in Cheltenham, in my opinion. It's difficult. There's two that are really good: Green Coffee Machine and the Coffee Dispensary. They're both, I would say, on par with each other. Get myself a latte. Oh, a lovely bit of lane discipline there from me, or lack of. Typical.